Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a mesh chain to MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet. You'll be adding a custom network, which requires specific details like the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick. This setup allows you to interact with decentralized applications on that particular mesh chain. Before adding the network, you'll need to gather some crucial information. This includes the network name, a new RPC URL, the chain ID, and the currency symbol for the native token. Optionally, you might also need the block explorer URL. Always find these details from the official documentation or trusted sources of the specific mesh chain you wish to connect. Accuracy is key for a successful connection. Now let's add the network to MetaMask. Click on the network drop-down at the top of your wallet interface. Scroll down and select Add Network, then choose Custom Network. You'll see several fields to fill in. Carefully input the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol you gathered earlier. Double-check each entry to prevent any connection issues. After entering all the details, click Save. Your new mesh chain network should now appear in your MetaMask network list. Select it from the drop-down menu to switch to it. You'll then see your wallet balance for that specific network, if any. Congratulations, you're now ready to interact with decentralized applications and manage tokens on your newly connected mesh chain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.